Hello everyone. Today, I'm going to show you how to create perspective text using Photoshop. First, select the Type tool and type your text. Increase the size and change the font as you like. Then, hold the Control key and right-click on the text layer to select it. After that, press Ctrl+C to copy, and then Ctrl+D to deselect. Now, hide the text layer and create a new layer. Next, go to Filter and select Vanishing Point. Add the perspective points like this. Press Ctrl+V to paste your text, position it, and click OK. Finally, right-click on the layer and choose Blending Options. Hold the Alt key and drag the sliders to adjust the blending until the text looks just right. If you have any questions, comment below, and I will reply as soon as possible. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. See you again in the next video.